Hi DIY fans, do I have a special DIY kitchen paint project for you because this kitchen belongs to Eben Etsebeth'S, a professional rugby player. I am so honored to be doing DIY work and helping out at his Langebaan holiday home. Here's the before. And amazing what paint can do. Here is the after. It's updated and fresh just with some paint. Let's get started. But first, I always have to show my support for the Springboks. Here are the Plascon paint products I use, supplied by the Paint Expert stores, and professional products from Hamilton's. First, you've always got to prep a space, so I'm covering the floors, making sure no paint gets dropped on them, and remove cabinets, handles and drawers. Handles we'll reuse. Next is scuff sanding the surfaces using a sander's block or electric sander to dull the surfaces, and I'm just removing some vinyl wrap. Once all the surfaces are sanded and prepped, we can get to priming. I've decanted my primer into my mini Velo roller tray set, and you can apply one even coat to all surfaces and allow to dry. Remember, with the primer coat, it doesn't have to be perfect because the top coat is going onto that as long as all the surfaces are covered. Making sure an even coat is applied to all the fixed parts of the kitchen, as well as the disassembled drawers and cabinets, and allow to fully dry. Next is the top coat, so watch out, part 2 is coming soon.